Hold on, let me try. Wait, hold on. I just want it to be dramatic, you know. Okay. Here comes the best part. Okay. Let me get ready. Let me get ready. Alright, here we go. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Marissa Ray. Today I'm gonna be doing this face, okay? I don't really have no specific plan on what I'm doing, how I'm gonna do it, and what I'm gonna talk to y'all about, but I'm just gonna do this face and we just gonna see where it turns out. So my brows are already done. I use this NYX professional brow, I don't know if y'all can see it. I used the NYX Professional Brow Pencil in the color Espresso, and I used my Juvia's Place concealer. This is in the color 8. I love that concealer. I just got it, but I really like it. Okay, so if you are not a subscriber, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Also the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. While you're at it, go ahead and follow your girl on Instagram. I will leave it right here so that you can see, check me out, connect with me, and we can be connected together, okay? My face is already clean, by the way, primed. I used baby skin primer, Maybelline, and then I used a mattifying primer just to get my face matte because I'm kind of an oily girl. So right now I'm gonna just use this LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color Espresso, and I'm gonna use this to correct any dark spots. I like to make sure I do this because if I don't, sometimes you can see the darkness, especially around my mouth, if I do not do this. So I really think it's super important to like conceal your dark spots because you don't want that showing, okay? You want it to look nice and smooth, like a nice smooth canvas, okay? Hold on, let me try. Wait, hold on. I just want it to be dramatic, you know. Shout out to mommy because she got me this, and I love doing this with my makeup, okay? But I'm just doing that to dry my concealer, you know. I like making my concealer a little bit dry before I blend it in because it gets more coverage that way. Next, I'm going to use this Real Technique sponge to blend it out. By the way, this sponge is damp, okay? Ran it under the water. Now, for my foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This is the color 360. That's upside down. 360. Mocha. For my chocolate girls, even though I'm not really like chocolate, I am literally like mocha. Mocha is like milk chocolate. Like if you think of like mocha, you think of like brown, like a real cute chocolate or whatever. So yeah, now I'm finna use this flat brush to put my foundation on my face. Whoa, I really do not need a bunch of foundation because I conceal with this. Once I conceal like the dark spots, I feel like my skin looks pretty decent, so I don't need to like put a whole thick layer of foundation. I just don't think that's necessary. By the way, I did my own feed-in braids. So if you guys would like to see how I achieved these braids, check the little tag up here. I'm gonna be a little bit extra today, and I'm gonna use my Morphe setting spray, the continuing setting mist. I mean, use my fan. And then I'm gonna just, you know, blend out my makeup. And if you want to know why I did that because I feel like spraying in between steps of doing your makeup, like liquid steps, just makes your makeup last longer. And y'all, I've been going to see an esthetician for my skin. My skin overall appears well and decent and cute, but I noticed that I be having like little tiny bumps, especially on my cheeks, and it's like mad annoying. So I'm going to her, and it's a black woman, okay? I'm going to her so she can like help me out. Okay, now this my favorite part right here. This is my favorite part. So I'm using Juvia's Place Concealer again, but this color is in the color 10, so it's about 2 shades lighter than me. I like to use concealer that's 2 shades lighter than me, 2 to 3. It just really depends, because I like that highlighted look. If y'all have seen some of my other makeup tutorials or looks that I've done on here, you see that I use a light concealer, usually in the LA Girl, but I wanted to try Juvia's Place because they are black owned as well, okay? Support black businesses, period, point blank. But yeah, this is my favorite part. If you can't already tell, the under eye is the most important part to me. And then of course I will go in and put this on my forehead a little bit, down the bridge of my nose, and on my chin, and not to mention on my mouth too. Because if I don't do this, then it looks weird and my makeup looks like it's not, like, you know, blending correctly. Now I look beautiful, huh? Again, Morphe setting spray. Fan. Ooh, child. I mean, whew. What I've been doing is taking that color 8 in the Juvia's Place and putting just a little bit on the outer part, like here, just a little, just so that like the contrast between the colors is not super bright. It's still gonna be bright, but I'm gonna blend it so good. So I like to blend out my chin, my forehead, my nose first, save the under eye for last, because the under eye is going to crease, and the longer you let it sit after you blend it, it's going to crease more, and I just ain't trying to have that happen. So we're going to blend out this chin first. I always do my chin first, then hit that nose. I don't worry too much about nose being like perfect and super snatched. I don't try to do all that. But I do be seeing other women do it, and it still be cute on them, but I don't want my nose that snatched like that. I just don't. That's just my preference. So I just make it look kind of natural, and I'm gonna, you know, blend it out later. Okay, here come the best part. Okay, let me get ready. Let me get ready. All right, I blend out the edges first. Okay, kind of like this, just up and down my, like that. If that, I don't even know if that makes sense. And get that mouth. I kind of blend that first. Go to the other side, blend that. Feel me? Okay, we gonna get to this, don't worry. I'm not finna keep myself looking like this, but right now we finna get to this under eye, right under here. And you got to really stretch. Depending on how your face is lined up, you may be able to get in there pretty good, no problem. But my nose, and I don't have like a smooth, like the bridge of my nose is very tall. I have a nose that comes out very high, so I kind of have to pull my nose to the side like this. And then I also put this over my eyelid today because I feel like doing a eye look, a pretty eye look, and do the same thing to the other side. Blend out all them edges. Just getting all around the edges so that it doesn't look so harsh. I'm I'm going to use this Airspun Loose Face Powder. And this is in the color Translucent Extra Coverage. Then I'm going to take the sponge again. Just dip it in all over like where I'm going to use it. I blow it off because I don't want all that powder on my face. And I'm going to put a super even coverage, at least try to put a super even coverage of powder underneath both eyes first. Then I'm going to go back in and get the rest of this part too. I ain't gonna lie, the powder do be making me look a little bit like, ooh. You feel me? At first, but once it all blends out, it's gonna come together, I promise. Now that that's all done and I look like, wow, really something right now, I'm going to use some True Complexion, Black Radiance True Complexion palette. Dip this little fluffy brush into this part, the contour part. And we just going to buff her in. And then take that up the sides of my face and around my forehead as well. Just so that everything is like more blended out and everything. Super important. Super important. Now, in case it does start to look a little bit harsh, like I don't know if I'm liking how this look, I'm going to take the side where I use my concealer and just kind of blend the edges again. Then I'm going to take that same contour color and put that just basically in the this part of my eyelid. Well, I lied. I'm going to put it all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to use that same color and just bring it down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to try using this e.l.f. Earth and Ocean palette. It's got some pretty like ocean tone colors in here. And I want to use this, what is this? Gold Rush color. This color right here. And I want to do like a wing with it. So I'm really finna try and attempt to do this. Hopefully it goes well. I'm pretty sure it will because I can do this. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. So I'm going to start off with putting it in like this inner corner, right? So I'm going to use this contour color and go like underneath my lash line at the bottom. This color right here. This is what you call trial and error, okay? You know, it's not looking bad or whatever, so I'm gonna use this little highlighting shade. I had to focus, so I'm gonna use this little highlighting shade and this little fan brush to do just a little bit of highlight. So the face is done, all right? No more face. The face is good. So I'm gonna use this setting mist again. Actually, I lied. Let me fix my brows. I like to go in and fix my brows because as y'all see, this little inner part be disappearing when I do the makeup. But I like my eyebrows to come in just a little bit further. So I'm going to just kind of fill them in right here. So I'm finna spray my face. Now time to move on to lashes and then we'll be done. I just have this Kiss strip lash adhesive. And I'm gonna line my eyelids with it first and then apply my lashes.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
Okay, as for lips, I'm going to use this Gel Smooth Liner in the color Espresso right here. And just line my lips really quick. Then I'm going to take this color Contempo, that pinky color from Colorpop. I just always love how pink and neutral this color is. Like, I love it. Then I'm going to take this metallic gloss, this one right here. Alright y'all, this is the finished look. Nothing really major. I just wanted to try something with my eyes and something kind of fun. But anywho, it's still super cute. So if you enjoyed and you liked this video, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at marissa.w. It'll be here on the screen. Also down below in the description box. With all that being said, I guess that's all for this video. So I will catch you in my next one. Bye.